everyone, welcome to our latest Prohire Truck TV video. Now we've mixed things up as we like to do here, and today I wanted to show you a very short brief video on some new vehicles that we've just sent in to Neptune. Now these guys have just taken their first batch of electric vehicles. In particular, it's the Maxus eDeliver 3. We're going to go through the process of training the drivers, not just on the vehicles but the chargers, how to charge, talk to them about their telematics and really give them the full journey so that there's less anxiety when they step into their new vehicle. So have a look at the video now, enjoy, and we hope that we can get you guys involved in a similar project.
When it loads, it'll load and it'll give you an image. Okay, so on each charging bay there is a QR code which is individual to each charger. So when you're ready to charge, that's going to be really important to get us going. Okay, so obviously we're going to need the power cable. So we've got the app, we've got the charger. So make sure your van's unlocked, and under the passenger seat there's two bags. So there's two types of chargers. There's one that goes into the EO charger, okay, which obviously is the one you're going to predominantly be using. And at the front of the vehicle, that stays nice and unlocked. The two slightly different adapters as well. The bigger one goes into your vehicle, so we'll pop that in the front. Slots in nice and easily, and then the thin end, not too far, simply pushes into your EO charger.